Here's our 7x16 enclosed cargo trailer made by Doolittle. This is our modified Black Raven series. It doesn't quite have everything to make it a Black Raven, but it does have the 3-piece extended tongue. It's missing a 4-foot nose guard, and I say missing, a 2-foot is plenty, but it's a little taller than your standard one. Still, 16 on center, vertical studs on it, screwed in aluminum exterior 030 skin, so that's 0.030, about the thickness of a credit card. Dexter axles, brakes on both axles. This has got what we call a drop axle, so it sits a little bit lower. Just makes it easier to step in. It's got the Easy Lube hubs. So this piece comes out here and you got a Zerk fitting. And if you see there, it's got 4 springs, or 4 leaves, not springs, 4 leaves on our axles there. And then you can kind of see there how the drop is. It's on a straight axle. It is undercoated. We switched to these fenders. They are a little bit sturdier than the ATP fenders. Rear ramp, plywood interior, 3/4 on the floor, 3/8 on the wall. This is a 6'8" interior. And it does have the larger nose on it, so the actual nominal dimension is to here, and then you have almost 2 feet additional. So for a 7x16, it's about 16 to here, 18 to the nose. If I were to take this plywood out, you would see a vertical wall stud that is a square tube. No holes on the roof. Our vents are on the side, and that is on purpose. Another cool feature, if you guys have been looking at some of these trailers, is if you notice, the door is almost the full length of the side. So look at that door, it goes all the way up, about as much as you could. So I am 6'6" and walking in this thing with no problem. It does have the RV door lock, and this is an RV door lock. You don't really, and again, that's some things I do here when I make these videos and add some tips. You kind of don't want to just buy a trailer with just an RV door lock. You also want a bar lock. Some other cool things, and also I'll give you here some more tips when you're buying a trailer. Some things to look for that kind of are a good indicator of how much detail the manufacturer pays to assembling it are the holdbacks. So a metal holdback kind of lets you know the manufacturer actually cares. Because the plastic holdbacks really aren't the greatest. Now there are some kind of flaws to a metal holdback. It is very strong. So sometimes you want a plunger type, so just to let it kind of come out, but you just have to know how you're using it. Some other kind of cool features is looking at a screwed wall to see the spacing of the screws. A lot of other trailer manufacturers, you see that looks like it's about every 5 inches. Some of them go 10, 11, or 12 inches. So you can kind of just look at the outside of the trailer and just see how well it's put together. It's got the white LED lights. They'll have the appropriate color. On the side here. So that's it. This is a 7x16 enclosed cargo trailer. Thank you.